In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily send a message without saving phone number in WhatsApp. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up any web browser and then at the search box enter wa.me/, and after that you need to enter a phone number whom you want to send a message with country code and without plus sign. For example, for Russia, country code is +7, so I'll just enter 7, and then all we have to do is just enter a phone number and hit at go. After a couple of seconds, if we tap at open, we'll be taken to WhatsApp app, and then we can write down our message in that conversation. As you can see, it shows me just a phone number here, which means that this number is not on my contacts. That's how you can easily send a message without saving number in WhatsApp.